this is Zishan here. So today we got Stick Up Cam Elite, which is PoE as well as you can give a local source of power. So we're just gonna unbox and see what's in there. And let's see. So there we go. So instruction manual as well as the stickers. Camera, two-way audio as well. A little goodie box which contains the wall plug, screws. Let me open that for you. Got here USB cable, the screwdriver, and some wall plugs and screws. Underneath there, what we have, it's an interesting thing, which will convert your normal internet into Ethernet cable to PoE Ethernet cable. So you don't need to give a local source of power. You can use this camera with the PoE switch or PoE converter. So you don't need to give extra power. Next, if you want to use indoor, then they give you little adapters, which is 3-pin and 2-pin, and extra Ethernet cable. So in my situation, I'm not using the PoE converter because I got a switch. I'm going to install 3 cameras, so in that case I don't need individual source of PoE. So I got PoE switch, so I can install 3 cameras. The camera itself is quite good. Can work on PoE. Let me open something for you. So use this handy screwdriver, which has its own the screwdriver. Right. So the back of camera. Let me make it loose. Right. So when you set up, you scan this code. You can use PoE cable direct here, so you don't need to give local power. But if you have to, using 6 amp adapter, sorry, it's not 6, 12 volt output, you can plug in here and you can normal Ethernet and it will function. But I want to keep it sleek, where I don't want to give extra power. I can use a PoE port or PoE switch, which I got already. Okay. So the camera itself is very sleek. You can install differently. For instance, if you want to install upside down, you can install like that. On the wall, you can install like that. It has, again, the level. You can level how you want to do it. And the camera, it says here. Here. It's quite handy. It's a good alternative to normal CCTV system. But this has works on Wi-Fi, PoE, then you don't have to use the local source, power Ethernet, and two-way talk, then motion detection, infrared, theft protection, and obviously you can record and share the videos as well. Yeah, that's all. So to me it's quite handy and a good piece of kit. What I'm going to do, I'm going to install now. And installation is very, very simple. In my situation, I'm just gonna install like that on the wall. So what you have here is the gas kit, we call it, so which fits like that. You take this off and use that to just mark your wall plug points. And it is always recommended to use the given wall plugs and the provided screws, so basically they will be flush with the mount, so you You don't, if you use the other screws, they will not be flush. Okay, so let's start cracking. Thank you. Right, in my situation, I have already done the screws here. Okay, in my situation, I have done already the holes for the wall plug, but for just demonstration, I would say take the gasket and make sure, say that I'm putting the camera like that, your gasket fits exactly where this notch is, otherwise your holes will be the wrong place. So I did the holes, so you put like that on the wall, wherever you want it, to the markup, and use the 6mm bit given by the ring. Just use that, drill holes, and use the original wall plugs with the original screws. Secondly, I already done the PoE connector. You can always go on YouTube and look how to do that. It's very simple, straightforward, and there are two methods, A and B. I use A method, so regardless, this is the one which is going to do all the magic, which means the power and internet, everything. So I've done that holes earlier. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the gasket back to the camera, itself. Yeah, the holes were there, and I will be using the given screwdriver. It has a format. Swap that. You can change to different screws yourself. So we're using this screw, this flathead, so it will completely flush into it. Make sure you do the holes for wall plug exactly where is required, otherwise your camera won't sit properly on the wall. Good time. Okay, you'll find this screw, and you just swap your screwdriver and use that to close the lid. So this is the lid for all the screw holes. Put that on the top so it's nice and clean. There you have it. Now the last thing we need to do is to connect the Ethernet cable and turn this camera right up. So just cross it through and just put it into stand, put that back lid and just tap the screw. It's very simple, very straightforward. Now there you have it. You can adjust it wherever you want it. I actually exactly want here. Thank you for watching. So hopefully this video has been helpful.